Hey guys, thanks for stopping by today. So today I have a little project share, a little folio that I want to share with you guys. It turned out so stinking pretty that I thought I would get on here and show you guys in case you're interested in making one too. So I did follow a tutorial by Angela Kerr, and I will link her below so that you can go check her out and see, what all she has to offer. She does a lot of tutorials. So, yeah, so let's get right to this because I'm so excited to show it to you. So you do have to, when you make this, you do have to purchase a kit. If you make this exact one, you have to purchase a kit from My Porch Prints, and I don't know the name of it, probably French Rabbits. So you do have to purchase that kit and print the papers and all the ephemera and pieces that are inside. So, I just love this. Isn't this so pretty? It's so pretty. It's blue. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it is blue with ivory floral on it. And here's how I decorated mine. I just put this Hobby Lobby ruffle trim here with some pink sequin trim down the center. And I did make mine from chipboard. She uses a recycled Amazon package. But I don't have any of that, so I had to use chipboard. But yeah, so here's how I made my closure. I just wrapped seam binding around it. And so you just open it like this. And I just put a little eyelet here and put my seam binding through, and so that holds it shut. And so here's what the inside looks like. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I just love it. And I just love all the little pops of pink. I think that just makes it so, even more pretty because I do love pink. So, isn't it so cute? It's just so cute. I don't know where to start. So I'll start on this side and show you this. So this side here, you have this little closure. It's like a coin envelope closure. And so the top will open. Aren't these prints so cute? They're so pretty. And so the first little flip here is an envelope, and there's lots of little goodies in this collection that you print to fill your pockets and things. So this is just filled with rabbits. So this is one of the little images from My Porch Prints. And so there's an envelope right here that's tucked up in there. And then there's another envelope here, and it has a little piece of vellum right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a pocket, so there are little pieces, like this is a card that we made in her tutorial. Looks like that. Super cute. And this is one of the papers that you print out. And so this just tucks in here like this. And you can see the little rabbit image through the vellum. So cute. And then this opens up like this, and there's another little pocket here with some tickets. I do believe that was a separate purchase, the tickets. So you may have to make a couple of purchases. I don't really remember. And then here is just a pocket, a little that's made with lace, with a little tag tucked in. This lace I did get from AliExpress, if you're interested in that. And so then this just closes back up like this, and you just wrap it up like a coin envelope. Isn't it so cute? And then I did put some gold stitching around, so there's a lot of gold stitching details in my little folio. And then here she shows you how to attach this little booklet to the book itself. And so you have to print out all of these little pages here, front and back. I did this one right. So I did print some, and I had my little bunny upside down, so I had to reprint. So I have a lot of extras of these. But isn't this just the sweetest? All the little rabbits and the florals, and just so cute. So this could be, you could put photos on here, and then there's lots of spaces for journaling. Isn't it so pretty? And then that flips over like that, and then you have this side, and so you have all these little flips here. So these are made with a lot of envelopes, and so this is just a little pocket. I was gonna say, I can't remember if that's an envelope. No, I think I made that pocket. But inside there, I have these little tags tucked in. And my tags turned out like this. I did do stitching around mine, gold stitching, and added some seam binding and some little gold hole reinforcers. So aren't they so pretty? They're just so pretty. And so they tuck in right there. And then when you flip this, she had a one of those die cuts that's the Tim Holtz die cut that has the little slots that you tuck the ephemera into, but since I don't have that, I haven't finished that part yet. I may try and make mine somehow, just make something similar to that and tuck there. And so this is an envelope. We made this with an envelope, and you stitch down the center so that you have a little pocket here and a pocket here. And so up here in this section, just tucked in a couple of little tags that I attached some seam binding to, just sewed it on, left the strings, and so that just tucks in here like this. And then this one down here, it's a window envelope, and so you have this little window here. This keeps flipping over a bit. It has a little window here, and here I just glued on a little bow, and just have a couple little pieces with little tabs. Little pieces of photos, bunny photos, and I did stitch around them, and I did ink around them too. So these are just tucked in here. She does a great job with her tutorial. It's very easy to follow, or I thought it was. And so on the back here, I just put a coffee stained doily, and then on this side is a coffee dyed CD envelope, and I did get this from Jennifer, A Trace of Sparkle. So every now and then she'll have a new batch of coffee dyed goodies that you can buy from her Zibbit store, and so I will link her below so that you can go find her if you don't know who she is, and maybe you could purchase yourself some of these if you're interested. So in this little CD pocket here, envelope, just another little bunny image. I don't know if you could tell, but that's also printed. It's got the little aging design on it, the aged design, so it looks like old paper. And so that's just tucked inside there like that. And then when you flip this side, you have a little pocket, and this comes in the kit also from My Porch Prints. And then just some little tags, and then this little printable with a couple of tickets, just folded over the edge. And I did do some, just some stitching across my tickets like that, and some inking to make it look old. So that's just tucked in here like this. And I did get my seam binding from My Scrap Cabin on Etsy, and I'll link her below in case you need a resource for some seam binding. That's where all of this seam binding came from. And this light pink is so beautiful. It's my new favorite pink. So pretty. And so this side here is a pocket, and when you flip it over, you have this other little envelope. It's an envelope that comes, let me show you, just so you know what I'm talking about. So I have this whole envelope here full of these pieces, extra pieces, because I printed so much that I had a lot of extra. So I want to show you. So you get a printout like this, and so you cut these out, and then you put them together, like adhere the sides and the bottom to make these little we call these coin envelopes. Maybe these are coin envelopes. So that's what this is. And so the way this one looks is it's a pocket here. And so when you flip it over, this flips up, and then you can pull this out like this. So it's just a little booklet, and you could put photos inside, or, you know, just whatever you want. And so then that tucks in here like this. And then in here just has a little tag that pulls out the bottom. And then this side here looks like this. And so this side you have another one of these little like coin envelope closures. And then this opens up. And inside here is a vellum pocket. And here's one of the coin envelopes. So you could tuck some things down in here. And then just another little, this one's white on the back. I didn't double side that one. But it's just like that. Isn't that so pretty? And then I just put a little tab here at the top and stitched all around it. And a little piece of pink seam binding. So that's just in there like that. It's getting stuck on my vellum piece in there, but I'll fix that later. And then you just close it up like this. And then this flips open. And then you have this little pocket here. It's a 3-tier pocket, but I accidentally glued the top of mine shut, so I just have 2 pockets. But in here, so here in the back, we just have a couple of little printouts, little cards. Yeah, so here I accidentally glued across the top, so I don't have the little pocket there, but I just tuck all my goodies in that one. And then this pocket here, just a couple more tags. Aren't these bunnies so cute? They're just so cute. So I stitched around these tags and then stitched my seam binding on at the top. And these are double-sided. And here's what the pocket looks like. Let's see if I can lift it up here. Aren't those roses so pretty? When I saw her folio, I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to make that. And so here is another envelope. This is made from a large envelope. So it's a pocket. And isn't he so cute? She did put a little butterfly on her bunny's nose, but I haven't done that yet. And I did stitch around it and let the strings, I don't know if you can see the strings, but there's gold strings hanging there. And so inside here is just one of the little cards, double-sided. And put a little tab here, and it's stitched all around with gold thread. And so it's just tucked in here. And then on this side is another little coin envelope. And I don't have anything inside mine yet, but it looks like this. I love this pink. You know, this pink didn't come with the kit. I got this pink from, I want to say pink paper peppermints. I purchased one of her, oh my goodness, I purchased one of her kits, and I believe I pulled that pink paper from there, but you don't have to have that. If you have pink paper, just use your pink paper. And so up here's just a little booklet. That. And then here is an envelope that came with the kit. And it's printed on the inside also. And there's just some little bunny images tucked inside. There are so many images with this kit. So there's lots and lots of bunnies. And here's another envelope. And inside here, just a couple more little bunny images. And I did stitch around all my bunnies, my little images. So those are tucked in there like that. And this is just blank so that you can put whatever you want there. And so yeah, isn't it so beautiful? I think it turned out so pretty, and I just love it. And Angela, if you watch, thank you so much for the wonderful tutorial. And it was so easy to follow. And so, yeah, I wanted to show you guys that in case you're interested in making one for yourself. I don't think you will be disappointed if you try it out. It did take me a few days, but you know, it was worth it. Worked on it every day for probably 4 days. I didn't work on it, well, I did work on it all day, a few days, but so anyway, I wanted to show you guys that and show you how beautiful that is. And go give Angela a follow, Angela Kerr, and go check her out and see if there's other things that she makes that you might be interested in also. And yeah, don't forget to check the description box for all the links. And I guess that's all I got for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.